This sleep has lingered for too long. Awaken. You have been waking up every morning still asleep. Wake up. You are trapped in the normalcy of a repetitive daily cycle. You're walking in broad daylight, but still living in the darkness. Like Lazarus in the book of John, you don't realize you're putting on the same clothes, these grave clothes. There is something greater right under the coat that you are wearing. There is someone who wants to take the normal out of this normal Tuesday. Someone that will wake you up. Awaken.